In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and redo a reconciled bank transaction in Xero, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you've made a mistake or simply need to adjust a previous reconciliation, Xero's user-friendly interface makes this process straightforward and quick. First, let's begin by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click on the login button. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email and password. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your login credentials secure and double check that you've entered them correctly before you proceed by clicking the login button once more. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your financial operations in Xero. From the dashboard, locate the section for your bank accounts and click on your bank account. Clicking here will direct you to your account transactions page. This area of Xero allows you to view all the transactions associated with your chosen bank account, providing a detailed overview of your financial activity. Now that you're on the account transactions page, it's time to identify the specific transaction you want to remove and redo. Scroll through your list of transactions, and once you've found the one in question, click to select or tick the transaction. It's crucial that you double check to ensure you've selected the correct transaction to avoid making changes to the wrong one. With your transaction selected, look for the Remove and Redo option and give it a click. This is one of Xero's features that allows you to quickly reassess transactions that may need adjustments. When you click this option, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed with removing and redoing the transaction. Remember, this step is non-reversible, so make sure you want to proceed. Once you confirm, the transaction will be removed from its reconciled state and moved to your Reconcile tab. This action allows you to treat the transaction as though it has not been reconciled, giving you the opportunity to review it once more and make any necessary corrections or changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you've effectively removed and redone a reconciled bank transaction in Xero, ensuring your financial records remain accurate and up to date. As always, keeping on top of errors and adjustments in your financial software is crucial for maintaining a clear and precise record of your business's finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for streamlining your bookkeeping tasks in Xero.